What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of a DJI Mini Pro kit right here, which is a fly more kit for the DJI Mini 3 Pro. As you can basically see inside, these are accessories that come inside right here. So we have the extra batteries, we have the charging case, we have the bag, we have the USB type C, and also we have some propellers that come inside right here. So I'm going to unbox it, let you guys see basically what's inside. So as you guys can see right here, basically come in this box. So in the box right here guys, we have the bag, which is looking really neat, as you can see right here. So we got the DJI, some DJI logo right in and here as well, which is looking pretty neat. As you can see, the bag material feel pretty decent. So as you can see right here, I'm just gonna open it, let you guys see basically what's inside. We have the battery pack right here, which come in this right here. We also have some template. This is what the template comes in. We have some compartment. As you can see, we can place a drone right here and some other accessories. So inside right here, we have USB cable. So we have some propellers. So we have at least 8 propellers. This is the USB cable, USB to USB-C. So right here, I'm gonna show you guys basically the dual charger right here, which include the battery. And this is a plus battery guys, which is gonna be a lot more heavier than the normal battery that come inside the drone itself. As you guys can see, looking something like this. So we can charge at least 3 battery inside, so we can squeeze like so, and we can take them out. As you can see right here, this does not has the 249 gram on it, which basically is gonna much heavier than the normal one that come inside the Mini 3 drone. So guys, I have previously done an unboxing on the Mini 3 drone, so you guys can check that out in the card above if you want to see that review video or unboxing video. So this is basically what's come inside. So right here we can see we have an out, we have an in, which is really great guys. So we can charge at least 3 battery inside right here, and we'll test it out, let you guys see basically how it works. Okay guys, so this is the charging dock right here. So I'm going to charge it up right now. So as you can see guys, this one basically plug into this right now. I'm going to plug this one right here inside, and light right here gonna indicate that this is basically charging. So you can see this one is basically charging. This one is already full charge because it not show indication right here. So guys, as you can see, I have my drone right here with the controller and the battery pack. So I'm gonna put it inside this bag right here. I actually purchased this as a combo. So I'm just gonna open the bag right now and try to put this inside and to see basically if it basically fits. So basically I can put my drone inside this little part right here. It's gonna fit perfectly right there in there, inside this way right here. As you can see guys, and my battery pack put into this part right here. And you look important accessories, I can put it up here, like my propellers, my USB cable, and so forth can go into this part. So I can basically lock it right now and easily transport it whenever I'm going out. So it fit perfect guys into this bag right here. So this is a fly more kit combo with this bag, perfect